Hi guys, welcome to CryptoCommons channel. My name is Fla and today we're gonna discuss the price of cryptocurrencies. As you may see, yesterday we broke 10k level and now I see so much bearish sentiment in the market. Wow, this is huge guys, we just broke 10k level and everyone is freaking out. What the fuck is going on with crypto? Are we going to close CME futures gap at 9.6 or go even lower? And it looks very scary on the 5-minute time frame, but let's switch to weekly. And what do we see here? So look, we don't see even a big dump here. Everything is pretty much okay. Of course, if we look at coin market cap, there are bloody waterfalls. Everything is in red except Tron and some DeFi coins, which are doing pretty well. But yeah, pretty much most of coins are in red. But let's look on macro time frame and discuss what we're going to see next. Look, we are perfectly on track. We are testing key support level about 10k, which was a global resistance level. Yeah, I see panic on all exchanges, too many liquidations and bots algorithms are selling now. So people are freaking out. What the fuck? What should I do? Should I sell the bottom and then buy the top, you know? So let's return to on a weekly time frame. Let's look weekly and let's go back to history, because you know when I came to crypto it was pretty much here in early 2015 when Bitcoin was around 250 bucks or so, and no one expected that it will return to all-time highs, to previous all-time highs, which was around 1200. And when we saw this first pump, everyone started shorting, and that was the biggest mistake, because look what happened next. Everyone was scared, was selling, was shorting the market, and then we had higher high, higher low, and look at weekly EMA ribbon. When we started 2016 bull market, we perfectly held this EMA ribbon as support and surprised everyone, because we went higher and much higher. And then of course when we broke EMA ribbon and tested it as resistance, we broke down, and that was a clear bear market for sure. Then of course we saw a fake rally and Corona dump. That was like a black swan that no one has expected, of course. But if you look at this, excluding this fake pump to 14k and fake dump to 3.5k, you will see that this is pretty much flatty sideways price action, like accumulation phase with high volatility. And now what we are doing, we're just cooling off. We had a nice rally from 4k approximately to 12k. Now we are cooling off and testing 10k as support, which was the previous key resistance. So now look, you see this price action, and if you scroll back, you don't see previous bubble and previous price action at all. You see it like a straight horizontal line. And now let's just play with the idea that we're gonna see something like that, and our next target will be approximately 100,000 bucks or even higher. So let's just draw something like this, some waves like this, up, and then more exponential up. Guys, I mean, remember Chainlink a few weeks ago? Remember DeFi and Wi-Fi? No one expected this price movements, but we saw them. So if we do something like this, first target of next bull market will be around 200,000 bucks or so, and then we'll see another bear market, and then after next halving we go even higher to 1 million bucks, for example. This looks insane on regular chart, right? This looks crazy, like this never gonna happen. But now let's just switch this into a log scale. Look, and as you see, nothing surprising. We're just perfectly on track, right? Look at this. On log scale, things are getting much reasonable. If we do something like this, we will see Bitcoin at 100,000 in next year or two, and in a million bucks range in 5 years or so. Look, we can draw the support line like this, and resistance like this, so it will be like a logarithmic regression channel. Of course things can be much longer, but I just trying to say that nothing to worry about now. Just look at DeFi. If we look at 1 year, I think many people were selling back here in February, March. No one expected this kind of move, but we saw it. And now, okay, we are dumping. Yeah, I see we're currently dumping to 10k. So should we buy this dip? Look. Guys, I think yes. I will finish to record this video and will buy this dip for sure. Let's look at BitMEX liquidations. What do we see? Oh, funny thing that we see liquidation of short on Tron. And we also see liquidated long on Bitcoin, 5 million contracts at 10k level. This is just long squeeze, guys, and I'm pretty sure that big players will start to cover their shorts. They will just market buy and it will trigger another short squeeze. And you know, all these bull runs are just multiply short squeezes. And as we see in stock to flow model, we are perfectly on track. We have the 5th red dot, I think. It's a little bit lower than previous, but look at previous cycles. We also had red dot which was lower than previous. See this? We had it here and here. And look at fear and greed index. It's now in extreme greed now, so we just have to cool off and shake the weak hands out. I think we can return back to normal in a couple of weeks or so, maybe even faster. And everybody soon will say Bitcoin is dumping, everything is over, maybe DeFi bubble will burst. So when everybody will sell Bitcoin and tell you that this is a scam and it's going to zero, then you should buy and they're not afraid. So now what we want to see is a switch sentiment from over bullish to over bearish, and then we should buy. That's my opinion, non-financial advice, guys. You do your own research and take your own risks, of course. And risk management, guys, because it's very important not to get wrecked in the bull market. So okay, thank you very much for watching. My name is Fla, this is CryptoCommons channel. See you in the next one. Don't get wrecked and bye bye.